Good morning. Here we are in the Matigara market in Siliguri. We're a little bit early. People are just setting things up. So we're just kind of getting to know people, finding out about their things, their beautiful things they're bringing from all out, focusing most on the green vegetables. But as you can see, there's all kinds of things here. So don't even get grossed out if you see heads of goats and meat just hanging there and different things. But consider this an adventure of learning. Okay, so we're going to just pan and just enjoy the ride. Okay. No, this is haritaki.
Haritaki, no?
Haritaki.
Yeah.
This is nutmeg.
This is haritaki. इसको क्या बोला जाता है?
This is haritaki.
इसको?
Haritaki.
Harra taki, yeah, harra and haritaki.
Yeah, harra is, and it's the same. And this is nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Yeah, very expensive. It's nutmeg.
But Ayurvedic is pure, right?
Yeah, seashells. Good for paying for your vegetables.
Mango ko. यो धनिया चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ धनिया हुन्छ है अरे होलो यो कहाँबाट आएको यो कहाँको हो
यो पटल आएको तपाईको धुपगुडीबाट
धुपगुडीको हो
हजुर यो स्पेशल पटल हो ज्याङलाको
जङ्गलाको एकदम स्पेसल है
हजुर स्पेशल
कसरी किलो छ यो चाहिँ
इनका चाहिँ किलोको 60 रुपैयाँ छ तपाईको 50 रुपैयाँ लाग्छ
टटेला
It's like a karela.
It's not a Karela, but it's a family of Karela. I guess. Yeah.
पहिला जस्तो हुन्छ कि यो मिठो हुन्छ
Karela को वंशमा हो नि है
And how does he cook this?
यसलाई बनाउने तरिका चाहिँ कस्तो मतलब सेम फ्राई
बनाउन यो सेम हो
फ्राई गर्नु पर्यो हैन
हजुर यसमा खुर्सानी लाग्दैन यसमा खुर्सानी हाल्नु
त्यसमा चाहिँ खजाना हाल्नुपर्छ ओके this Karela and this are same the cooking process is same but they said that you need to put some chili over here on this while cooking and you don't need chili on this
Why
so this is sweeter than this
Oh, the sweeter.
yeah
So
this
it's
is
not
sweeter.
like bitter.
Yeah it's not a bitter
Not a
thing.
bitter.
Yeah this is better of course it's a sweeter side
अलिक हारा हो लाउनु
Not bitter. Sweet.
What's up, Fred? Wow. And you can smell this also. This is stronger.
Are we gonna buy later?
Yeah. This is stronger than this.
Yeah, Irene is growing that.
Yeah.
छिलके थोड़ा करके उसको बॉईल करना पड़ेगा
वो बॉईल करके खाता है ना
तब मतलब अच्छा लगेगा तब तक मतलब उसमें जो मुंह काटता है ना हाँ
Yeah, some kind of, this is a root, some kind of root. Yummy, yeah. Some kind of.
हम सिंपल बनाते हैं
ये सिलीगुड़ी यहीं से आता है ना ये?
हर जगह इंडिया में हर जगह होता है
All over India we get all this. आपका नाम? रमेश सानी. का दोस्त है? हाँ, बहुत पुराना है. बहुत दिन के बाद आया है वो. हाँ.
one can you give us?
ये कहाँ का नासिक का टमाटो है नासिक का टमाटो और यहाँ का मतलब दूसरा मतलब क्या फर्क है अंतर क्या है इसमें
नाश्ते ये टिकता अच्छा लास्टिंग करता है
और ये लास्टिंग अच्छा करता है
हाँ एक सप्ताह 10 दिन जाएगा
और खाने में इसका क्वालिटी
खाने में हल्का खट्टा कम होता है
इसमें खट्टा कम होता है और लोकल टमाटर में खट्टा होता है ना अच्छा दिस इज लिटिल नॉट सो सावर
बोलिए आपका नाम क्या है
मेरा नाम दीपक दीपक शाह
अच्छा यहाँ पे कितने दिन से कर रहा है मतलब मार्केट कितना साल हो गया
यहाँ पे तो 14 साल से हाट कर रहे हैं
14 साल से खाली टमाटर
टमाटर नींबू बेचते हैं
अच्छा ये टमाटर का बिजनेस आप करते हैं खाली टमाटर रखते हैं टमाटर और नींबू बेचते हैं ना अच्छा आप मतलब इसका आप घर में भी रेसिपी बनाते होंगे कभी
ना 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 ये आरत से लेके आते हैं इधर बेचते हैं
आपका माँ तो बनाती होगी या बीवी बनाती होगी
You don't know. You just eat. You don't know about what you're helping.
ओके
Follow your wife too.
ठीक है थैंक यू भैया भैया ये क्या बना रहता है The same leaf, they have 5 different qualities. One is bitter, one is sweeter, and one is 5 तरह का किस तरह से होता है ये क्या क्या
क्वालिटीज होता है एक ग्रेड होता है एक ग्रीन होता है एक ग्रीन टाइप मीठा होता है एक खट्टा होता है और एक एवन टाइप का होता है
कलर भी होता है कलर के हिसाब से उसका इसमें ये भी होता है टेस्ट भी होता है
So let's get a bunch of that.
एक तो कितना है ये लेते हैं
The mustard is it?
ये कहाँ से आया है
ये
Sack.
बाहर का है it is from hills
Yeah, we'll get some.
Right.
Get 2 of those. Okay.
this
Whatever we have with green, we buy it because green means good blood, strong blood, clean blood, right? Green is good. Okay. What about this one?
What about this?
Orange is also good.
you know not for chutney this is also kind of saag it's also kind of leaves only
One of these.
yeah this is good for pressure and sugar
Oh yeah. All the greens.
yeah
So 1 kilo. And then this big. This one is.
भैया वो क्या चीज़ है वो दिखा रहे हो this is cucumber भेंडी कैसे कर देती है 40 रुपये
Bindi is super good for stomach problems. It's demulcent. It goes in, it coats your stomach. You have issues with acid or ulcers or anything like that. You cook up bindi. You don't deep fry it, okay? Don't deep fry it like the southern people do, but just kind of partially saute with some ghee and then let it slowly cook. And you eat that, and it'll take care of all your stomach issues if you have really problems with acid or ulcers or things like that. Excellent.
दादा
This one. This is the banana flour. Super good. You take the inside, you cut it up, you roast it, and you can make a nice chutney from it, like salsa. It's really good for stopping diarrhea. Really super good. All these good medicines. Yeah.
chutney and vegetable also we usually fry and eat yeah we fry it but you guys you
They
don't know
cook
what
it
you do
fry.
yeah but we can boil
We
it
say saute.
saute is good yeah
Saute, not
But
fry.
it has a strong kind of smell
Really nice.
that doesn't go you just saute it
Yeah.
yeah. That's super easy
Again, nice emulsion again.